How to share live location in Google Maps so others can know your real-time location. First, open the Google Maps app on your phone. Tap your profile picture in the top right corner, then select Location Sharing. Next, tap Share Location. Now choose how long you want to share your location. You can use the plus and minus buttons to adjust the duration, or simply select Until you turn this off if you don't want it to expire automatically. Before sharing, you'll see a preview of the information others can view, including your current location, name, and your phone's battery level. Now, choose how you'd like to share your live location. You can send it through apps like WhatsApp or Messages. If Google Maps asks for permission, allow location access and set it to allow all the time, so live location sharing works properly. Once that's done, your Google Maps live location will be shared. And that's how you can easily share your live location using Google Maps. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy WhatsApp tips and tech tutorials.